You go check it out.
Who is it?
There's nobody here. What the heck? There's no one outside.
Did you actually look?
Maybe the doorbell's broken. Who are you? Who are you looking for?
Let me check.
Hold on. Let me see who's feeling that brave today.
Maybe we should call the cops.
What is this thing? Mary, what are you doing?
Get lost.